purchased from NYCElectrOnyx.com. Onyx spelled O-N-Y-X. This is the iPega, also known as the new Selfie device. It's a keychain. It's for iPhone and Android. You sync it using Bluetooth. See how it works. Turn it on. Alright, it's connected. Make sure it's on iPhone, iOS. If you're using an iPhone. Let's go to our camera. Check it out. Ready? Yeah, she works like a charm. Take it back a little bit. Let's see how far it goes. Bang. Works like a charm. Dave, turn around real quick. Bang. Yeah, she works good. Comes in blue, black, white, pink. The eBay store. Again, New York City Electronics.